Three books to read if you're starting your self-branding journey. First one is my absolute favorite. It is called Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers by Tamanna Kaur. She is one of my most favorite content creators out there. Now, this is an influencer that not only practices what she preaches, but there is an entire timeline that you can see where she has achieved every single thing that she's asked for from the universe. So her book, Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers, is one of the best self-help books that you can use if you want to find your true self. This book is super relatable, especially if you're an Indian girly. It's all about self-love, it's about healing, it's about mastering relationship with yourself and with others. It has so many chapter homework, so many exercises that you can do, and you can find yourself, your purpose, and show up as the best version every single day. The second one is not exactly a self-help book, but it is a novel. It's called The Yellow Face, and if you read it from a self-confidence perspective, you'll understand what I'm saying. It takes you through a protagonist's life journey where she's doubting herself. There are continuous comparisons with others where she just does not have the confidence to attempt. But all that she's surrounded with is a lot of jealousy. Now, this book can be a little controversial, especially if you consider it as a self-help book. But if you read between the lines, it does teach you a very important business lesson, which is about the art of imitation. Now, if you want to run a successful business, if you want to venture into something new, there are two ways to do it. Either you innovate or you imitate. And the protagonist in this book actually chooses the second option. Now, the third one is also a novel. It is called The Authenticity Project. Now, this book is entirely about a green-colored journal which is found in a cafe, and all the characters end up writing an account of their own experiences and their own desires in it. It talks so much about building interpersonal relationships, community living. It's also something that teaches you how the grass is always greener on the other side. And I think one of the most important lessons that this book teaches is about the art of journaling and self-reflection. And when you do it with absolute honesty, it takes you home to yourself. If you like the content so far, do not forget to like and share, and please drop in a comment if you've read any of these books. I would love to know your interpretations about the same. I'll see you next time in my next video.